Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting in Calendar because Focus Time is a calendar-driven feature. First, open Outlook and go directly to Calendar. Make sure you're signed into the account that shows Focus events. Once in Calendar, scan for events labeled Focus Time or check Settings, Calendar Events and Focus. Now begin by selecting a single Focus Time entry so you can edit or remove it. This immediate step avoids digging through generic settings and puts you into the concrete item you'll change next. You'll now decide whether to edit or delete. Click the Focus event and choose Edit. If it's recurring, pick Edit Series to stop future repetitions. Change the category or time, or press Delete to remove it entirely. Confirm whether to delete only one occurrence or the whole series. If the event was created by a My Analytics or Viva Insights policy, navigate to Settings Focus Time and disable automatic scheduling. Make sure integrations like Teams are also adjusted, so new focus slots finish by syncing changes across devices. Refresh Outlook and open Teams to confirm Focus Time is gone. If it reappears, inspect automated sources, go to Viva Insights or My Analytics and revoke permission to schedule Focus Time. Make sure any organization policy isn't enforcing it. If problems persist, clear cached credentials or remove and re-add the account to force a clean sync. One troubleshooting tip: check other calendars shared with you. Sometimes shared or delegated calendars recreate events.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.